Hey, this is the boat doctor. I'm gonna try this headband thing again, so you're gonna look at the floor. I'll check up here, make sure it's looking. Yeah, it's recording. Well, what was that beep? Oh, it's still recording. See, that's what I only don't know if it's recording sometimes is when, if I can't look at it. So let me see. There, that's good enough. We'll see how it works on these boats. Anyway, this is a 1993 Grady White. It's a beautiful boat. Radar works. That's the old school with the shade on it, but it is working. I set up here. I went through here and set some settings up on it. It was a way off, so this works. And then you go into menu, exit out of it, go to pages, go to sonar. There's your sonar, so that works. Same thing here. I got all that working. It was on the wrong transducer. You got storage up underneath there. Okay, your speedometer right here. I have the kicker running right now. That's this control right here. And you pull it out if you want to put it neutral, like this. Then you rev it up and it pops back. Then it goes into gear. So it's running right now. And I'll show you the water flow. It's got good water flow. Okay, your batteries I showed you earlier are underneath here. Okay, your live well is here. Now, up underneath here, the washdown don't work. I don't know if there's a seacock valve way back underneath that I can't see. Primer bulb. There's this knob way back into here. You can't really see it, but it's where my finger is. To get water in, you got to pull up on it and push down. It's right where this handle is. Look over here, and there's a knob. That's what shuts that seacock valve off for this. Okay, so then I get up here. You got crab dabbit. These lights work. Got storage up underneath there. These don't work. Hydraulic steer definitely needs bled. That thing is like, I can barely even drive it right now, so hopefully I can make it back. Compass seems like it works. So we're gonna give this some gas on the kicker. Now you can see, look how many times I'm spinning this. And that motor ain't turning. So you got a lot of air in that system. But that kicks up really good. Now I'm gonna try the trim tabs. I didn't try them. The forward builds, the aft builds, the live well turn on wipers, they work. Horn works, nav lights work, cockpit lights. That sees right here. Spreader lights don't work. This light does work. Fuel and their head, it pumps out. An accessory, I have no clue what that is. I'm just gonna make a turn here. There's your courtesy lights. Then your anchor lights I don't have turned on, but they work. The open array works. If you look back here, you got water coming in. So that's your live well. And then up underneath here, this could be made a really, really nice boat. You just put a new motor on it. That's cutties like really clean. And this is locked right here. And you push this. I mean, it's really nice in there. And the porta pot there that is a pump out, believe it or not. Go like this, cinch this up. Then he's got a little space down there where there's a drawer. He's got a seat right here. And then if you look into here, he's got a little drawer here. You can pop up and lock. Same thing over here. And lock. Let's see what else he's got. Locks, tape, insect repellent, some glasses. There you go. Just what you need. Okay, so we're running on the kicker now. It's about, I'm gonna open it up. We're about 5.7. You can see that right there. VHF works. So then we're gonna cut this back, put that into neutral. Now the key for that is up here. You just shut it off. The main motor's key is right down here. All you have to do is just turn it. And the neutral's right here. If it isn't in neutral, it ain't gonna fire up. So then you go back here. Since this is off now, you just hit this trim button here. And then for right now, I'm gonna disconnect this because I need all the steering I can get to get back. need nothing hampering me. So I'm gonna put that right there. That's why I come out here, is to check all this stuff so you don't get out and have issues. I ain't saying you still won't, but most of the time you won't. So I'm gonna put that in gear, not go too fast until, see, it's a little easier to steer. But boy, that motor's quiet. Good water flow, I think, that was coming out the back. I'll speed it up. It's about 39 miles an hour, about 3.5 seconds to plane. So see how much I'm turning it? But boy, that helped on doing that kicker though. I just hope I can make it back before we run out of fluid. Okay. So we're right there, we're gonna hit it. Trim it out. About 4 seconds. Speedometer's a little wacky, that should be cleaned out probably. Tack's okay, that's at 4,000. I'm gonna start trimming it up. Now the trim tabs I'm gonna try, they should be all the way up. I'm gonna go down. Yeah, that one's working. I'm gonna go down. That one's working, so I can come back on the trim tab if I have to. That would give me at least to the dock. But we're gonna see if I can't make it off the motor. Yeah, you can feel the air in there. Now I'm gonna trim up. Doing 5,200. I'm going to trim up all the way. I was doing about 59. There's 54. 55. That's about max trim right there. So he could actually 56. 58. He could act 59. About 36 miles an hour. I'm going to trim down a little bit to see if I pick up speed. 35, 36. 37. Yeah. So he should probably drop a pitch on this. And it seems like I'm hopefully going to make it back. Other than that, this boat's going to be damn nice. You can really clean up that teak, just wax it, clean it up. This is a nice boat. Okay, I'm going to slow her down, and I think we're done. Grady White, just got a few minor little things, you know. Main thing now is the steering, but they can get that fixed. That's not a big deal. Like I say, I can come back on these trim tabs if I have to. All right, this is the boat doctor out.